Alright, yep. Load them up. Okay. I could use a little help. Fine. You can make him fit in there. God. I don't know. I don't have a good feeling about this. Taking the enemy into our own place, it's just... We can squish his head in a little bit. But this is a bad idea. I'm gonna have to make new connections already. I think this might be the downfall of Bond. But he doesn't want to listen when I try and tell him that, so I'll let him experience this. But maybe it could work. There's a chance. God, get your stupid ear in there and then just... Nope. Almost there. That could... God. No! I don't get paid enough for this. I don't get paid at all. Good. What? Where am I? Hey! Somebody! Oh, what the... Where the hell? Guys? Guys, are you here? Guys! Who's there? Who are you? I asked you first. You could be a plant. Well, so could you, or maybe you just said that so I wouldn't think you were. Well, either you tell me or we sit in silence. I'm Isaac. My name's Isaac. Just call me Trap. Alright. So what? You're in here too? Yeah, there's a cage. I'm in a cage right now, and I can't really see much of anything. I'm also in a cage. God damn it, my group got captured and they got brought here. Well, they're probably dead then. What? Why would you think that? Well, they would be in cages next to ours, wouldn't they? Like how you're on one next to me? But maybe not. Well, this is great. I think they're alive, though. Well, then maybe we'll see them. Or maybe not. Maybe this is where we die. Oh, God. Not here again. No! Who's there? It's me, Mike. Toy Chica, right? Yep. God damn it. What's going on? We're trapped. Why did that guy mention your name? The guy who was holding me hostage. Because I've been here before. What? What do you mean? I escaped here, and that's when I followed your radio broadcast, and then I found you guys. Wait, so this is the Bond you've been talking about? Yep. But no, I don't know if I'm ready. I don't know if I know enough about the bombs yet. Well, you better hope that you do. 'Cause we're here now. Can you tell me more about this place? Well, he basically just keeps us in here until he's bored and he wants to experiment, and then he throws us down into a hole, and he puts dynamite there, and there's usually a timer on it, and if we don't solve it in time, we'd all die. Well, whoever's in that hole. But if you do solve it, then you get put back in here, and then they keep going up, making the bombs harder and harder. Well, that's good then, because you must have been here a while then, right? I got to the 4th bomb. But I know there's definitely more. And also, I guarantee your friends are probably around here somewhere. And, well, I guess our friends, because yeah. But we're We don't always get the same. I don't get put in with everybody. What do you mean? Last time I was here, even though I helped out as much as I could, there were people who I couldn't help because I wasn't put in the hole. There's other cells all over in different places of this building, which means that one bomb could be like Freddy and Foxy and Lefty and Ender or something if he's here. I don't think they're here because it's just us, right? They'll get us out, the others. If I know Bond, he's not stupid, and neither are his people. They'll find them eventually before they find us. Oh God. So they could die? Yeah. Ah! God, get me out of here! Mangle. Foxy! Oh my God, you're alive. We came looking for you. Wait, you're here. Why? I didn't even think about it. Why are you here? Because Bonnie came back and he told us that Lefty got taken and maybe you and Shadow Freddy, so we came to come find you guys, and they had traps and there were people, and I guess we all got captured. Everybody? Wait, everybody. No, not everybody. Orville, Ender, and Isaac stayed back. Great. Orville, Ender, and Isaac. So a junkie, an asshole, and Orville to lead them both. Foxy, come on. I know. I don't mean it. Well, I guess Ender, I do mean it. But I know. But it's just... I'm just frustrated. Because now we're in here. We'll find a way out. We always do, right? Most of the time. What are... Who's there? What are you doing? Who's there? It's Nightmare Freddy. It's me, Withered Foxy. God. What did you do? I flipped the crate over. I'm surprised you were able to get captured. Well, I almost died. What does that have to do with anything? Because I usually wouldn't let myself get captured, but they had to threaten Freddy to get me in here. But not! I don't want to be here! We'll find a way out. Of course you'd flip your crate. Why am I not surprised? Don't flip over that way. You won't have any breathing holes. I'm gonna need some help. I'm gonna kill you. I'll make sure of it. I know. That's what they all say before the bomb. So you're with Bond, huh? Yeah. Mike tell you about us? Good. Got you at least a little bit prepared for what's to come. Anyway, enjoy your time in there. Finally. What's going... What the... Why is my hand tied to the ground? My legs are shackled to the wall. What? Well, I had to make sure you don't die. Who are you? And what the hell happened? Where am I? Or us, or, yeah, where the hell are we? I'm a doctor. You two are kind of too big for the cage. Well, you might not be, but Your wound reopened when we were carrying you, and you looked pretty beaten up, so had to give my opinion on what happened. Do you know him or something? Why are you so calm about this? I do know him. Yep. You do. And I don't, so what's going on? His name is Sans. Him and his brother Papyrus lived at Woody's camp. Woody's... Oh, that's the guy you said you dealt with or whatever before I joined. Ah, God, my... So what, is he like them? Well, Papyrus and him were... They didn't realize what was wrong there. But... Apparently the day of... He's explained this to me because I've been up longer than you, but... Once his brother got shot and he saw Woody did nothing about it, he snuck out, climbed over a wall, and ran away. But he also doesn't like us because, well, you know, our group's the one who shot him. Well, hey, this group stabbed me, so, let's call it even, yeah? Well, for forgiveness. This one said you were a pain in the ass. Luckily, I have patience. Though, I wouldn't say the same thing about Bond, so maybe... tone it down. Aye, aye, Captain. Luckily, though, I don't think you're Bond unless you're talking in the third person. Which... wouldn't exactly doubt. Oh, God! Oh! Oh, you said you had a lot of patience, you liar! I'm not that angry. Sans, it was a bad situation. So you keep trying to say, but... that doesn't bring back my brother. You know, my brother, despite... yeah, he might have been a guard, but that was his first day as a guard. He didn't know about the evil things that Woody was doing, and once he found out, we would have left. Look, man, we're in the same boat. Did the group murder your brother? Woody's group murdered my family. My wife, my son, and my daughter. And I still don't know if my baby is alive out there. I don't think so. Well, I am sorry to hear that, but like I said, my brother wasn't the one who did it. Just like you had your grievance, now I have mine. Ugh, okay, new deal. How about you let me out of here, and then I join up with you guys, you know? I mean, this group that you captured, they stabbed me. They beat me almost to death. I don't really owe them anything. You want to talk about that? Talk to Bond. Okay, I will talk with Bond. Let me see him. Not yet. He'll see you when he's ready. And you seem to be fine, so I'm gonna leave for now. Already trying to betray us. Yeah, well, I feel like I was kind of betrayed when I was stabbed and beaten. Why were you beaten? Who beat you? The fucking purple bunny. Why? 'Cause I... whatever. There's two sides of every story, and you're not gonna believe mine. Well, since you say it like that, I'm definitely not gonna believe yours. Exactly. Oh, God. Oh. No! Hello? L-Chip? Orville? Orville, what's going on? Looks like we were taken. Oh, God, where are the others? I don't know. How did you end up in here? Well, Bonnie came back and said that everyone had been captured and... Wait, everyone? What? Yeah, Bonnie's... Apparently Shadow Freddy saw you guys getting taken, so that he followed you, and then... well, his group got taken, but he got away, and then everyone left except for me, Isaac, and Ender, and then they were just gone. And then somebody showed up and put a knife to my neck, and then I had to surrender. You know, I don't know why. He could have knocked me out anyway, because he did that right after, but I wasn't holding anything. I wasn't holding the sniper yet. Wait, so you're saying that we're probably all in here? Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Hey! What do you want, prisoner? Oh my god. Yeah, remember me? Huh? I saw you at Woody's camp when I was taken. How did you survive? Sometimes you just gotta know when to leave, if you catch my drift. When I get out of here, I'm going to... Yeah, you're gonna kill me. I've heard it so many times from so many different people. They'll end up the same way, dead. Just like you will. But maybe we can get some use out of you before that. What does that mean? Well, prisoners, you're gonna have to do some work. What kind of work? Oh, you'll see. Bon will show you when you're ready to see. Damn it! Yep. Whine all you want, it's not gonna get you out of there. Chica, huh? What? Bonnie. Hey, we're okay for now, alright? Bonnie, what happened? I don't know, we were knocked unconscious, like immediately. Almost like you did to that, Ender guy. Oh god, what do you want with us? Me? Nothing. The boss is... He wants some things. Like these weapons and medicine you gave to us. Thank you. These aren't yours, these are ours. Chica, hey. Seem to be ours. Yeah, I'm gonna need you to drop that. Good girl. Well, the boss needs you for something. So, you guys can come with us. Don't worry, I'll bring you right back once you're done. Chica, I'm okay. Run along. No. Get me in here. No. No! Fuck! No, this isn't what we agreed on. I have somewhere else to be? What the Who's there? It's Lefty, Shadow. Well, we're trapped in here now. Yeah, and clearly wasn't part of the plan. Did you make a plan with Bond or something? No, I meant Freddy's plan. Freddy's plan. You weren't there for Freddy's plan. Look, I knew he would have one. And I didn't just mean Freddy, I meant my plan to get us out. When I said Freddy, I meant me, Shadow Freddy, but also Freddy. That seems kinda iffy. There's something off about you, I know it. You're just making stuff up. Nothing's happened in the group. Let's say there was something weird about me or I had plans. What have I done? Nothing yet, and I want to keep it that way, which is why I'm suspicious of you. You know, Lefty, the group was better before you... Wow. Tensions are high between you two, I've overheard. Who's there? Can you see me now? Anyway, I'm gonna open these crates. Boss needs to talk. Yeah, let's talk one-on-one. No, not one-on-one. But y'all need to be there for it. Baby, I know, it's okay. We need to get out of here. And we will, alright? We'll get out. Yeah, I'm sure we'll be able to get out. I just wish I was... It's always something. If it's not some random people or these clones, it's Woody. And if it's not Woody, it's a giant. And if it's not giant, it's Woody again. And if it's not Woody, it's wherever we are now. I know. I'm sick. What? Come on out. Don't run. I don't want to have to hurt you. What? You. I'm sorry. Freddy, look! What? You have to follow us. What the? Foxy, we tried. At Woody's, we tried. I know. But you guys have to get moving. Follow me. Foxy! We should have killed you. Yeah. I wish you did. Ugh. Let me out! Freddy? Roxanne, is it you? Yeah, I'm here. Are you okay? Did they hurt you? No more than anyone else, I guess. Well, we don't know what happened to them. Oh God, what are we gonna do? We're just gonna have to hope that Orville or Isaac and Ender help us. Them? It's our only chance, Roxy. Wrong. There is no chance. 'Cause actually, we have them too. What? Who are you? You've heard of me. Bon. And I need to talk with all of you. So I'm gonna get this open, and you're gonna follow me. Okay? Oh, and let's just get one thing clear now. You aren't the leader anymore of your little group. I am. Ugh. I should kill you. If you could, you should. But you can't. So instead of these empty threats, get a move on. Wait. What about Freddy? Bond's talking to him personally. He's gonna be alright, yeah? I guess you'll see. Stop! No! Now come with me. I have legs. I can walk. Follow me. Come on!